again have a dressing room setup. The subject is now looking left of frame. The most important lights for our indoor night scene are the practicals we have in our frame. At night, there is no strong natural light source to become our key light, so we take the help from available practical light sources or place some around our set. Here we have two practical light sources, the vanity mirror with the bulbs around it and a wall lamp. As both these are close to each other, we can treat them together as one light source. Note, the intensity of the actual light coming from these practicals is usually too low to be significant. What is usually done is an artificial light source is added to simulate the directionality of the practical light sources. Before we add these lights, let's have a look at another source of light here, the window we have on the right of the frame. We shall introduce a light entering the room from the window. This can be either moonlight, any street light, or even any other source of light. In our case, we are using a colder light, which can be a simulation of moonlight. We now have the two important sources of light defined in our shot, but we are missing detail outside the window. For this, we have added rows of tiny lights to create some soft detail in our shot. We can now start lighting up the face of our character. Now we shall place the light, which is the simulation of the vanity mirror bulbs and wall light. This light will come from the left of the frame to maintain the directionality of these practical sources. This is our key light and illuminates the face of the character. Next, we will place a fill light to bring up exposure in the shadows on her face. Here, our fill light will not be very strong as our scene has a higher contrast, and we should carry with the same lighting scheme when lighting up the face. The last light we will place is the back or scratch light coming in from right of frame. This light is a simulation of the moonlight entering our frame from the window. This scratch light follows the same directionality and color temperature as the moonlight to suggest that it also is emitting from the same source. With this last light, we have completed the lighting of our night scene. The key points to take away from this exercise is to utilize the practical lights present in the scene and simulate its directionality and color temperature to create a realistic look.